So today's Japanese slang term is OT, which is just a shortening of omowaseburi na taido. So omowaseburi is a na adjective that is used to mean that something is suggestive, leading people on, promising things that aren't going to be true. You can see a bunch of ways that it's used here in the screenshot from the wonderful alc.co.jp, but it's commonly used in the phrase omowaseburi na taido, a attitude, a demeanor which is suggestive. Now normally this is used with the verb toru, so omowaseburi na taido toru would be to give suggestive manner, act in a suggestive manner, whereas torareru is used when somebody leads you on. OT obviously just saves us a bunch of time in typing things, but you actually don't use it with the verb toru, at least from what I can find checking Twitter, checking Google. It's not something that gets any hits really. In contrast though, the verb that is used is kamasu. So ot o kamasu is to lead someone on, and ot o kamasareru, the passive voice, is to be led on. As for when people started using this shortening, that's really hard to find out because it is just two letters and it could appear anywhere. But at the very least, by 2015, people on Yahoo Chiebukuro were starting to ask, why are people saying OT and what does it mean? So that at least gives us a sign that it was established by this time. Now, the only thing you have to be careful about is that OT can also be used for other things. Indeed, two very common ones are overtime in sports and occupational therapy or occupational therapists. So if the OT next to you at a sports game that has gone into OT starts talking about OT, there's at least three possible things that could mean. So make sure that you OT o kamasarenai. See you next time.